I love this topic. Hey doc, what does the adjustment do? Wow, that is a really good question. And everyone out there on the internet, at home, and here deserves a pretty straightforward answer, right? What is going on when you adjust me? Okay, here we go. So the premise of chiropractic is, and a basic physiological truth in every anatomy book is, that the central nervous system, which controls the whole body, is comprised of the brain and the spinal cord. So let's draw that out just so we have a diagram to see how it works. So that's going to be our brain, and this is going to be our spinal cord. And the brain, as we all know, is protected by skull, and the spinal cord is protected by vertebra. These are the block-like bones that run up and down from our skull to our tail and run directly in the center of our body. And this spine moves 24 bones, movable. And so that's beautiful because movement in life, we have the saying, movement is life, life is movement. And what that means is when we can move properly in all ranges of motion, so all degrees that we can move are sideways, twisting, and frontwards and backwards. And so when we have all these ranges of motion working well together, then we have better life in the body. We have more communication in the nerves, in the circulation, and movement of forces through the bones in our spine, our hips, our knees, so everything can work together. That's the name of the game for the body. The brain wants to send 100% of its energy down the spinal cord and out to every organ and every muscle in the body. Think of the nervous system as a finely tuned piano. And when one of those keys, which would be a vertebra, gets off, it just doesn't sound right. The song does not come together as music. It sounds like something else. So you might want, what do I have to do with the piano? Well, our body works together. And so when these nerve messages are disrupted, so that's the first thing that happens is, before I tell you about the adjustment, I'll tell you what happens to the body. Nerve communication is disrupted. Circulation, which we all know, life is in the blood of the body. That is important. The circulation actually decreases as well. And then what happens is we get into this nasty cycle of our mobility, our ability to move goes down. And then we get in this pain cycle. And the pain doesn't allow us to move as well, which perpetuates or stacks on top of the stress of less circulation and less nerve power. And so that's nerve power that could be going to your pancreas in your stomach if it's mid-back. Could be going to your heart and lung if it's right here in the upper neck. Could be going to your prostate, to ovaries, to evacuating in the lower from belly button down, or causing you performance issues if you're an athlete. So the big idea to get here is, what does an adjustment do to correct this? My eraser here. We want 100% of brain energy getting down the spinal cord to 100% of our organs and muscles. So let's keep that concept in mind. Chiropractor comes in and restores mobility and gets you moving better again, which pushes fluid, restores nerve communication. And once that starts to happen, the nerves are actually controlling a lot of the blood vessels. And so they tell the blood vessels whether to get narrow or to widen. And so circulation starts to regulate and be harmonized by this better nerve communication. And then, because we have better mobility and we can move through the pain and the healing, go through the healing process, then our pain decreases. And then it's your job through fitness, how you're fueling, recovery, your mindset. That's your job. Your health is your responsibility. I know a lot of practitioners won't tell you this. It's your responsibility. However, I am the ultimate partner when you want a sound nervous system to be harmonizing how you take in your fuel, how you move to stay fit and keep your weight at a reasonable and healthy weight, how you continue, if you're not messing around with a bunch of pain in your life, you've got a positive outlook, your lens is more rosy than it could be, and last but not least, fuel, fit, positive mindset, and don't forget about that sweet sleep. The first thing that's unanticipated that nearly all of my clients tell me when they start receiving chiropractic care is, I am sleeping so much better. And so that's the power of chiropractic. The side effects are usually just the benefits. All right, guys, I hope that helped.